guys, it's me.
Happy me.
Hey guys, it's me.
Happy me.
All gone? They all gone? Hi guys, it's me.
Me.
Oh gosh. Alright, just stop it. It's Anya, Lani, and my cousin Lana is here, and today we're actually going to be making fried Oreos. So I don't know why I came up with this idea or what made me come up with this idea, but we had some leftover Oreos that we had, and I didn't want them to go bad, so I was like, let me try to figure out how I can use them. I actually have tea on right now because y'all know it's Corona season, so I need to make sure that I'm in good health. But yeah, so we're just gonna go over our ingredients.
So the things that you will need for this will be some vegetable oils, some Oreos we have mint and double stuffed, some pancake mix, and some powdered sugar.
So the first thing that you want to do is take your vegetable oil and you want to put it in a pan. You can put it in like a really thick pan. You can put it in like a pot, whatever it is, so that you can put the fried Oreos in there once it gets hot and dip it. So I'm just going to go ahead, put it in this little pot, and I'm going to put it on the stove so it can start heating up so that when we're all ready with that, it'll be all finished. Okay, want to help mommy? All right, so now we're going to pour the pancake mix into the bowl. This is just some leftover pancake mix from like the holiday time, and it's almost empty. So we're just going to go ahead and use this. Is it all going? Tap the box. Tap the box. Tap, tap, tap.
Tap, tap, tap,
Tap,
tap.
tap, tap. All right, all done. Until, you know, you have a decent amount in the bowl. We have a decent amount here for the little bit of Oreos we have. We don't have that many, so. All right, you want to shake it up? Okay. We got to add water. Water. Okay, wait. All right, let's put some water in there. Okay. So the next step we're going to do, once you add water to your pancake mix, you want to make sure that you mix it up. You want it to be thick, but not like too thick to the point where it's like, you know, I don't know, like really clumpy, but you don't want it really watery either because you want it to be thick enough so it's able to stick onto the actual Oreos. You want to try mixing, my mom? Oh, it's a mess. I'm sorry. Let me clean your hands. There you go, all clean. Clearly, these are Lani's favorite pajamas. She does have other pairs, but, you know, I don't know why every single time I make a video, these are the pair of pajamas that she has on. So, look, wow. And then this is the consistency that we're actually looking for. It's not too thick. It's not too thin. It's just right, you know, like how you would make any other pancakes. All right, so once you're done that, you can go ahead and put your spoon to the side, and then we're just going to go ahead and take our Oreos. Hopefully you can get some that aren't crushed. Some of ours are crushed, and you're going to drop them into the bowl. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Oh. All right, look. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. You didn't cover it, Duncan.
Oh.
All right, so you're going to go over to your pot after you have already dipped.
No.
You're going to go over to your pot after you have already dipped your Oreos, and then just take your hand, dip it in some water, and if that happens, your oil is just about ready, because anytime that it's like that, it's ready to fry anything. So I'm not going to use Lani for this part for obvious parental reasons, but it should look like this, and then you're just going to go ahead and drop it in. And then once they kind of look like this, take those bad boys out and set them aside.
No. can get the top on the foot. Yep. Do you help?
So after you're all done that, you're just gonna go ahead and get a little bit of powdered sugar. Ooh. And you're just gonna sprinkle it over the top. Ooh. Of the fried Oreo. You want to, okay, just tap the spoon.
Tap.
Look, she finna just drip this whole thing off. Lani, hold on 1 second, please.
Ooh, don't that look good, y'all?
All right, here you go. Here. Good job, Chunkin. All right, good job. Lick your fingers. Lick it. Oh, okay. Look, you gotta lick your finger like this. Look. Here, you gotta dip it in here and you gotta go like this. Is it good?
And once you're all done, this is pretty much what your fried Oreos are going to look like.
Is it good, Chunkin?
Yeah.
Okay. It's good. You want to try one, Chunkin? Okay, hold on. Wait, you can't be licking your fingers and then touching. Just take one. Just take one of them.
This.
Okay, go ahead. Try it. Is it super hot on the inside? No?
No. No. Haha.
It's not hot? Is it good?
Hot.
It's not hot, Lani.
Hot is your ball.
It's good?
Hot.
Is it hot?
Oh.
It's not hot.
Number hot.
Okay. Stop it. Hey!
Number six.
Well, guys, this is the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope yours doesn't burn as quickly as mine. But they are actually really good. So it takes maybe all of 2 seconds to make. Doesn't take long at all. We did the Thin Mint Oreos and the regular double stuffed Oreos, and it looks like this on the inside. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know how yours turns out. If you did anything different. First time making them at home. So if it's your first time, all I say is just watch it and make sure your oil is not too high. But I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.
That. Peace. My shape. Mama.
I thought she was going to give it to him, but she didn't. That's not too clean, Mama. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.